Hello, hello, hello.
Credit goes to you.
With due permission of your lordships, reference will be made on the passing away of the following members of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association. Late Somesh Ranjan Bhattacharya, Senior Advocate. Late Bhaben Bhushan Narjari, Senior Advocate. Late Shailendra Barkakati, Advocate. Late Hitendra Kumar Das, Advocate. Late Joshidhar Das, Advocate. Late Sabdaram Rava, Advocate. Late Banipada Pusilal, Advocate. For order of reference, may I call upon Mr. Kamal Nayan Chaudhary, President, Guwahati High Court Bar Association.
Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, my dear colleagues at the bar and the members of registry. Today we have assembled here to mourn the demise of 7 of our esteemed colleagues. Late Somesh Ranjan Bhattacharya, Senior Advocate. Late Bhaben Bhushan Narjari, Senior Advocate. Late Shailendra Barkakoti, Advocate. Late Hitendra Kumar Das, Advocate. Late Joshidhar Das, Advocate. Late Habdoram Rava, Advocate. And late Banipada Pusilal, Advocate. Late Somesh Ranjan Bhattacharya senior advocate, he had an extensive practice on civil and the writ side. He was also chairman of the Bar Council of, I think at that point of time, it was for 7 states. Now it is for 4 states. Late Bhavan Bhushan Narjari, senior advocate, he also had extensive practice on the criminal side. For some times, he was the public prosecutor in the High Court, as well as senior government advocate. Apart from that, he also had extensive practice on the criminal side. Late Soilendra Borkakoti advocate, he had extensive practice on the civil side, and he also specialized in insurance matters. That apart, late Hitendra Kumar Das, Jasodhar Das, Abduram Rabha, and Banipada Pushilal, they all contributed to the growth of the profession in different ways. All of them played their due role in the process of administration of justice and as officers of the court, and their contribution to the profession would be remembered for time to come. All of them had amiable nature, and because of their amiable nature, they could endure themselves to each one of us. Their passing away is a huge loss to the profession, and the void which has been created will be difficult to fill up. Today, I, on my personal behalf and on behalf of the members of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association, deeply condole their death, and I, on my behalf and on behalf of the association, pray to the Almighty God to give the members of the bereaved family enough strength so that they can overcome the loss. I also pray to the Almighty God to give them eternal peace. Thank you.
Mr. Sinmoy Chaudhary, Chairman Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sikkim.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges of the Court of Courts, respected members of the registry, and my esteemed colleagues. Now, we have assembled here to mourn the demise of 7 of our members, by the members of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association. They are late Hitendra Kumar Das, late Soilendra Borkakoti, late Jasodhar Das, late Banipada Pushilal, late Bhavan Bhushan Narjari, late Somesh Ranjan Bhattacharya, late Abduram Rabha. Late Hitendra Kumar Das was born on 1/4/1937. He got himself enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Assam, etc. on 12/6/1995. He became a member of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association on 26/7/95. Late Das expired on 16/7/2025 at the age of 89 years. Late Soilendra Borkakoti, hailed from Dibrugarh, was born on 15/8/1950. He had his early education in Dibrugarh, graduated himself in law, and got enrolled as an advocate on 29/1/1974. He initiated his practice at Dibrugarh and later shifted to Guwahati. Late Borkakoti took membership of Guwahati High Court Bar Association in September 1977. He joined the chamber of late Honorable Justice D.N. Barua as he regularly attended the chamber, which was very close to my residence. We got closer, and at a later stage, late Borkakoti started to reside in our locality, and our relationship grew as neighbors and friends. He had a pleasant personality and was amiable in nature. He developed good practice in the Honorable Court and used to attend regularly the district courts of various districts throughout the state. After a brief illness, late Borkakoti breathed his last on 17/9/2025. He leaves behind his wife, daughter Brishti, and son Raktim. Late Jasodhar Das was born on 28/2/1967 in the village of Tajpur, presently Sribhumi and erstwhile Karimganj. And his early education was at his place of birth. He graduated himself from Karimganj College in 1989 and later graduated himself in law from the same college in the year 1998. In 1999, late Das got himself enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council of India, Assam. He began his career as a lawyer in 1999, practicing in the district court of Karimganj. He then moved to Guwahati, took the membership with the Guwahati High Court Bar Association in 2005. He started practice in the Honorable High Court under the able guidance of Honorable Justice Sanjay Kumar Medhi. Since 2023, his life took an unfortunate turn. He was diagnosed with the most dreaded disease of cancer, and after rounds of surgery and prolonged sufferings, late Das succumbed to the disease on 7th of November 2025 at Bibora Cancer Institute, Guwahati. On his death, late Das leaves behind his wife, Srimati Shikha De, and son, Joydeep Das. Late Banibrata Kushilal hailed from Tezpur, Assam. He was born on 27/2/1977. He had his school and college education at Don Bosco High School, Tezpur, and Dorong College at Tezpur. Later, Kushilal took LLB degree from Guwahati University, Law College, Guwahati in the year 2006. He got himself enrolled as an advocate with Bar Council of Assam on 1/12/2006 and joined Guwahati High Court Bar Association as its member on 22/10/2009. He has fairly good practice in law. Late Kushilal passed away on 29/11/2025, a bachelor at the age of 48 years. On his demise, he leaves behind his elder brother, Sri Devabrata Kushilal. Late Bhuban Bhushan Narjari, a distinguished senior advocate, passed away on 28/12/2025 after a brief illness at the age of 78 years. He was born on 26/4/1947. His educational qualification was BSc LLB. After obtaining graduation in law, late Narjari got himself enrolled as a lawyer on 1/8/1975 with BC Bar Council of Assam and took membership of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association on 3/10/1983. He made a mark amongst his colleagues through his honesty and sincerity. He was sincerely engrossed in legal practice under the guidance of his senior, late Sitesh Chandra Das. Late Narjari was appointed as senior government advocate and parallelly additional public prosecutor and later public prosecutor of Government of Assam in this honorable court in the year 1985. Late Narjari continued as standing counsel, East Khasi Hills District Council, Shillong, Meghalaya, from 1993 to 2023. Later, Late Narjari was a devoted worker and ardently worked for the upliftment of the Boro community, its language and culture. He had the ability of singing Boro songs and used to compose as well. He actively took part and played roles in Boro dramas. At his demise, he leaves behind his wife, Mrs. Minoti Narjari, and only son, he had two sons, Devojit and Navojit Narjari. Late Somesh Ranjan Bhattacharya was a senior member of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association and a distinguished senior advocate who passed away on 15/1/2026 at the age of 84 years. He was born in 1942 at Patharkandi in the district of Kachar. Late Bhattacharya had his early education and his graduation in Karimganj. He passed LLB from Karimganj Law College under Guwahati University. He also did his post-graduation in political science from Guwahati University. He got enrolled as a lawyer in 29/5/1967 and took membership of Guwahati High Court Bar Association in the year 1970. Late Bhattacharya started his legal practice in Guwahati High Court under the guidance of senior advocate Abdul Muhib Majumdar. As a lawyer, he was widely known for his commitment to justice and earned prominence through the devotion towards the profession. He served as additional public prosecutor, Government of Assam. He was elected to the Bar Council of Assam for a period from 1973 to 2009. Was elected Vice Chairman of the Council from 1983 to 1996 and as Chairman in 2 terms is from 1996 to 1999 and from 2005 to 2007. Late Bhattacharya played a pioneering role in forming the Assam branch of Bangyo Sahitya Sanmilan. He welcomed the proposal of the Assam Sahitya Sabha to establish a branch at Silchar, advocating linguistic harmony. At his demise, late Bhattacharya left behind his wife, Srimati Basanti Bhattacharya, 3 sons, 2 daughters, daughter-in-laws, a granddaughter, and host of relatives. His son, Sri Sudipta Bhattacharya, is a practicing lawyer of this High Court. Late Shabdaram Rabha was a member of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association who suddenly breathed his last on 21/2026 at the age of 57 years only. Late Rabha hailed from Tamulpur. He did his schooling in Tamulpur Higher Secondary School, graduated himself from Cotton College in the year 1990, passed LLB in 2003 from Vishnuram Medhi Government Law College under Guwahati University. Late Rabha got his enrollment as an advocate with Bar Council of Assam, etc. on 3/12/2004. Took Guwahati High Court Bar Association membership on 23/9/2009. Late Rabha was sincere in his approach towards his profession. He always maintained a reserved demeanor as commanded love and respect from his colleagues. At his demise, he leaves behind his wife Srimati Minoti Rabha and only daughter Jennifer Rabha. The demise of the learned members of the association, the entire legal fraternity as well as the society as a whole have suffered a great loss. I, on behalf of the Bar Council of Assam, etc., and my own behalf, pray to the Almighty for the eternal peace of the departed souls, and also pray God to bestow enough strength on the members of the bereaved family to bear this extreme loss. Thank you.
Now may we have the honor of reference by Honorable the Chief Justice.
My esteemed colleagues on the bench, Mr. Kamal Nayan Chaudhary, President Guwahati High Court Bar Association, Mr. Chinmoy Chaudhary, Chairman Bar Council of Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh, learned senior advocates and learned advocates present here, members of the registry. Today we have assembled here to mourn the sad demise of late Somesh Ranjan Bhattacharjee, senior advocate, late Bhaben Bhushan Nazari, senior advocate, late Shailendra Barkatki, late Hitendra Kumar Das, late Jashadhir Das, late Sabdaram Rabha, and late Banibrata Pushilal, learned advocates of Guwahati High Court and esteemed members of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association. Late Bhattacharjee was born on 1st of October 1942. After completing his schooling and graduation, he pursued his legal education at Karimganj Law College under Guwahati University and obtained his LLB degree, marking the beginning of a promising career and a lifelong commitment to justice and public service. He enrolled as an advocate in the year 1967 and became a member of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association. He had a distinguished and successful legal career. His dedication and hard work propelled his rise in the profession. He served as the chairman of the Bar Council of Assam for 2 terms and also discharged his responsibilities as additional public prosecutor in Guwahati High Court. Considering his impeccable service and standing at the bar, he was conferred with the designation of senior advocate. Apart from his legal profession, he was actively associated with various socio-cultural activities. He passed away on 15th of January 2026 at the age of 84 years, leaving behind his wife and 3 sons. Late Sri Nazari was born on 26th of April 1947. He completed his master's degree in science before pursuing legal education. After obtaining his LLB degree, he enrolled as an advocate in the year 1975 and later joined in Guwahati High Court Bar Association in 1983. In the legal profession, late Sri Nazari gained prominence through his successful practice and reputation as a lawyer, which paved the way for his designation as a senior advocate. He left for his heavenly abode on 28th of December 2025 at the age of 78 years, leaving behind his wife and 2 sons. Late Barakatki was born on 15th of August 1950. He enrolled as an advocate in the year 1974 and joined Guwahati High Court Bar Association in 1977. He had a good and steady practice as a lawyer. He passed away on 17th of September 2025 at the age of 75 years. Late Hitendra Kumar Das was born on 1st of April 1937. Although he joined the Guwahati High Court Bar Association later in his life in the year 1995, but he made an indelible mark in the legal field during his years of practice. He left for his heavenly abode on 16th of July 2025 at the age of 89 years. Late Jashadhir Das was born on 28th of February 1967. After graduating in arts in the year 1989, he obtained his LLB degree from Karimganj College in 1998. He enrolled as an advocate in 1999 and became a member of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association in the year 2005. He passed away on 7th of November 2025 at the age of 58 years, leaving behind his wife and a son. Late Sabdaram Rabha was born on 1st of July 1969. He completed his early schooling at Tamulpur Higher Secondary School, graduated from Cotton College, Guwahati, and later obtained his master's degree in English literature. He earned his law degree from Guwahati University in the year 2003. He had a brief stint as a translator in the registry of the Guwahati High Court principal seat. However, driven by his zeal for public service, he resigned from High Court service and joined the legal profession. He enrolled as an advocate in 2003 and became a member of Guwahati High Court Bar Association in 2009. As an advocate, he had a flourishing practice and was associated with various branches of law. He served as standing counsel for Bodoland Territorial Council for a long tenure and was also standing counsel for the Soil Conservation Department. Late Rabha was a staunch defender of rights, particularly those of tribal communities. He participated in numerous national and international seminars on human rights and tribal autonomy, including one held at Geneva. His contribution towards the autonomy of Rabha community established him as a leader of the masses. He was admired by all for his amiable nature and treated everyone with dignity, irrespective of status, being a socialist by temperament. He passed away on 20th of January 2026 because of a brain stroke which he suffered, leaving behind his wife and a daughter. Late Banibrata Pushilal was born on 27th of February 1977 at Tejpur. After completing his schooling and graduation at Tejpur, he obtained his LLB degree from University Law College under Guwahati University in 2006. Soon thereafter, he joined the legal profession as an advocate and became a member of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association in 2009. As an advocate, he was admired for his hard work and amiable nature. He passed away at a relatively young age of 48 years on 29th of November 2025, leaving behind his mother. It is informed that all the departed members of the bar were held in high esteem for their integrity, dedication, and courteous conduct in court. Their contributions to the legal field will be remembered with deep respect and will continue to inspire members of the bar. Their demise is not only a great personal loss to their families, but also a significant loss to the legal fraternity at large. On behalf of myself, my colleagues on the bench, and the members of the registry, I express deepest condolences to the bereaved families. We all pray to the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed souls and to bestow strength and fortitude upon their beloved ones to bear this irreparable loss. As a mark of respect to the departed souls, I request all present here, members of the bar and bench, to observe 1 minute silence.
Fine.
The court work on the judicial side shall remain suspended for the rest of the day as a mark of respect to the departed souls. The registry is directed to communicate a copy of these proceedings and convey our heartfelt condolences to the members of the bereaved families.